Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drink moringa leaves. Moringa is a versatile plant, and you can enjoy its benefits in various forms. Whether you have fresh leaves or dried powder, the preparation is simple. If using fresh leaves, ensure they are thoroughly washed to remove any impurities. For powdered moringa, the leaves are typically dried in the shade and then ground into a fine consistency, ready for use. There are many delightful ways to incorporate moringa into your daily routine. A popular method is making moringa tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of powder or fresh leaves in hot water for several minutes. You can also easily blend moringa powder into your favorite smoothies, adding a nutritious boost. For a quick drink, simply mix the powder into juices such as apple or orange. It also stirs well into yogurt, oatmeal, or even soups. When starting with moringa, it is wise to begin with a small amount, perhaps half a teaspoon of powder each day. You can gradually increase this to 1 or 2 teaspoons daily as your body adjusts. Generally, consuming up to 70 grams of fresh leaves or about 11 teaspoons of powder per day is considered safe for most adults. Always remember to consult a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. To maximize the benefits of moringa, avoid cooking the powder at high temperatures, as this can reduce its nutrient content. For a more palatable experience, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey to your moringa tea. It is crucial for pregnant or breastfeeding individuals to consult their doctor before consuming moringa. Additionally, moringa may interact with certain medications, particularly those for managing blood sugar or blood pressure, so always seek professional medical advice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.